Hi everyone. Today Louis is going to tell us how he figures out in his mind 9,600 divided by 4. So it's a big number.
Yeah, really big.
It's really big, yeah. So when you're doing this in your mind though, how do you do this? Like first, do you think about maybe how many times, or 9,000 divided by 4, like just to get a rough estimate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's figure that out. So if we go like, let's say 4 times 1,000.
That would be 4,000.
Yeah, and that's like, we can do that. Like if you think about our 4 bags, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We could do that, but we don't get rid of too much. We still have lots to give out. So why don't we maximize the amount?
Mm-hmm.
So could we go 4 times 10,000?
Yeah.
That would give us what?
That would be 4 times 10,000. Oh, that would be 40,000. So
40,000. No, and so that means that we would give 10,000 to each one, right? That's why we're multiplying it by 4. But that's too much. So we have to actually figure out then 4 times some thousand, right? So 1, 2, 3 would equal, and we need it to be around 96 or 9,000, right? So around 9,000. So and I'll do this and we'll just rewrite this. So 4 times what would give us about 9?
Yeah.
How much? 4 times.
So that would be like 1.
Should I put like, if I put 3 here, if I go 4 times 3,000.
That would be too much because that would be 12,000.
That would be 12,000. Yeah. So then I only can get up to 9,600, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I already tried 1,000. That's only 4,000. So what's 4 times 2,000?
4 times 2,000 would be 8,000. So
8,000.
That's pretty close.
That's pretty close. So let's go ahead. Can you put down 2,000 in each one of these bags? You can use this marker right here. And I'm going to write something out that people probably are used to seeing. So 9,600. So that's how much we have to give out. We're dividing it by 4. And I'm going to put 2,000 up here to record that you've given out 2,000 to each one. Okay. But how much have you given away in total again?
That would be 8,000.
So 2,000 times 4 would give me 8,000. And so I still have 1,600 to give out.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try to do the maximum amount here too. So 4 times what would give you 1,600?
Yeah.
So 4 times what would give you either 1,600 or something really close to it.
Mm-hmm.
So 4 times what?
So 4 times, let's try to get 1,000 so far. So 4 times 250.
Well, let's just deal with the thousands. I don't want to deal with other numbers, okay? So we can go 4 times 1,000, right? Would give us 4,000, and that's too much. We could do 4 times 100. That would just give us, yeah, and that's not enough, right?
Yeah.
So then we need 4 times, let's see, 200. That would give us
800.
And that's not enough, is it?
No.
So 4 times,
let's try 300. That would be 1,200.
but then that's not enough either, is it? So 4 times 400, right? Because we're just really 4 times what would give us 16.
Yeah.
So 4 times what would give us 16?
4 times what would give you 16? It would be 4 times 400.
Yeah.
Or 4 times 4.
4 times 4 would give you 16, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put 400 up here. Can you go ahead and put 400 in each one of those?
Sure.
Okay, so when you gave away 400 to each one, how much did you end up giving away?
I gave away 16,000.
1,600.
Yeah.
Which means that you gave everything away.
Mm-hmm.
So then 9,600 divided by 4 is equal to how much?
2,400. No, 2,400.
400. That was great.
Thanks.
Good job.
Bye.
Hi everyone. Today we're doing 9,600 divided by 4, and Anna's going to tell us how she thinks of it. Okay, how do you want to solve this, Anna?
Well, I want to do that thing where you split and then split again.
Okay, so you want to make 4 equal groups.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's start off with 9,600, and we'll split it into 2 equal groups. Mm-hmm. Now, Anna, this number might seem really, really big for people.
Yeah.
So can we just think of 96, divide that by 2, and then add a couple zeros?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's 96 divided by 2? What's 90 divided by 2?
90 divided by 2 is 45.
And then what's 6 divided by 2?
300.
Okay, so then...
So 45,300.
So 48...
Oops, 48.
And 4,800. Now you can check this just by adding them back together. You should get the 96, right?
So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So you add them together and it's 96.
Okay, so now let's split this into 2, each one of these into 2 equal groups. So what's 48 divided by 2?
48 divided by 2 is 24.
Okay, and we'll add 2 zeros, right? So it's 2,400. And then 2,400. And 2,400. And 2,400. So if we add all these up together, we'll get back to the 96, and that's how people can check their work. But so then 9,600 divided by 4 is equal to
2,400.
24.
Or 2,400.
That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.